Wow, the wind just came out of nowhere. Do you see how hard those trees are blowing? I hope no trees fall down around here today. This is crazy, and I'm surprised that my flag is not blue. Now it is. It's about to say because it's really look at the trees. And you hear the thunder. Do you see that? Wow, that's crazy. And look, it just calmed down. It just calmed down. The wind was just blowing like crazy. All the trees was waving at me. I just wanted to show y'all this crazy weather we're having. And look, you can tell it's about to storm. It got extra dark. All right. Have a good day, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna get off this phone because I don't do phones and thunder and lightning. All right. Bye, peoples.